And ostensibly, one way or the other, the path to meditation or prayer begins to formulate itself as a possibility for a person when they begin to run out of the answers that have always been their answers. Person's stressed. Person thinks, well, maybe if I meditate, I won't be so stressed. Now, they don't understand that meditation as an answer to stress is, in fact, a partial path to bringing an end to that level of self that's so anxious. But if they persist with their meditation, they begin to go through a process of seeing in themselves what they could not see when they were just themselves trying to escape that state. So that meditation at its outset begins to formulate in a person a witnessing nature, something that is going to see instead of try to change. Our work that we're going to do here is to take what we've learned and to begin to mind and heart meld, to bring together inside of you a new understanding and a new practice, where instead of sitting and meditating, instead of even just doing your attention exercises, why do we do attention exercises? Because I want to bring that in. We do it because when we sit and try to remember ourselves, to be present to our own physical eyes, and the fact that there is a me that has eyes, not a me that just looks out and sees what it sees out there, but that I am a creature given eyes. I am within a body that sees. Most of us never know we're in a body that sees. Most of us never know we're in a mind that thinks. It just thinks. It just perceives what it wants to perceive. We're going to gradually find a way, if you're willing to work at it, where we can start to feel our own mind, feel our own senses, feel the underlying power behind principle, feel the whole of ourselves. You cannot know the whole of yourself any other way than being able to feel your body, its senses, your mind, its actions, and your heart, its desires. Until those things are united in a human being, they are not whole and will never know anything of true wholeness.